10 biggest camera drones you can fly. In the past few years, drones have become increasingly popular. A drone is a flying camera that you can control with your smartphone or remote control. You can use a drone to take aerial photos and videos or fly it around for fun. There are many different types of drones on the market, so it can be difficult to know which one to choose. These drones are great for taking high-quality photos and videos, and they are also fun to fly. In this video, we are going to show you the 10 biggest camera drones you can fly. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and be notified of future updates. Now, let's get started. Number 10. DJI Matrix 600 Pro. A heavy-duty drone designed for professional aerial photography and cinematography. The DJI Matrix 600 Pro is the perfect drone for professional content creators who need a heavy-duty machine for aerial photography and cinematography. This 6th-generation drone from the iconic DJI brand offers unparalleled performance, stability, and reliable control. With cutting-edge technology that includes retractable landing gear, interchangeable camera gimbal mounts, and an error reduction system, you are ensured to get stunning footage with minimal effort every time you take to the skies with this beast of a machine. It can shoot up to 6 kg of payload at maximum takeoff weight, making it one of the most versatile drones on the market today. Whether you are an experienced pro or an aspiring filmmaker, you won't be disappointed with the results created by this heavyweight drone. Number 9. DJI Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual. A compact and portable drone with a high-quality camera and long-range capabilities. The DJI Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual is an incredible piece of technology with its combinations of portability and powerful features. This drone is one of the most efficient tools available to capture high-quality aerial photography and video footage, allowing you to take your filming projects to the next level. Its dual cameras provide excellent visibility when recording in HD, and its extended range means that it can venture away from the controller for longer periods. Plus, its smart design allows this drone to fit nicely into a backpack when you are on the go. With all these impressive features, there is no doubt that the DJI Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual is a clear choice for anyone looking for a powerful compact drone. Number 8. DJI Matrix 200 or 210. A rugged and reliable drone designed for industrial and commercial applications. The DJI Matrix 200 or 210 is the top-of-the-line drone in the industry, boasting features designed to make industrial and commercial applications a breeze. With its tough and reliable design and advanced obstacle avoidance systems, this drone can tackle even the most challenging tasks with ease, all while keeping your operation safe and efficient. Furthermore, its weatherproof design and long runtime allow you to fly for hours without worrying about the elements. Truly, the DJI Matrix 200 or 210 is the perfect tool for any job that needs a bird's eye view. Number 7. DJI Mavic Air 2. A consumer-friendly drone with a 4K camera and intelligent features for easier flying and better footage. With the launch of the DJI Mavic Air 2, consumers can now capture stunning aerial shots with ease. This consumer-friendly drone has plenty to offer for those seeking to improve their footage. Boasting a 4K camera with a half-inch CMOS sensor and an upgraded array of photography features such as 48-megapixel snaps, object tracking, or hyperlapse gives this drone the edge in capturing dynamic and creative shots from different angles. Additionally, its powerful flight system ensures easier piloting by equipping it with multiple intelligent features such as Active Track 3.0 and Smart Photo for improved performance and convenience. All of these features come together to create a perfect machine for beginners who want to take stunning footage without any prior experience. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced drone flyer, the DJI Mavic Air 2 has something for everyone. Number 6. DJI Phantom 4 RTK. A high-precision drone for surveying, mapping, and inspection applications. The DJI Phantom 4 RTK is truly a revolutionary tool in the world of surveying, mapping, and inspection. With next-level accuracy and unparalleled ease of use, you can easily capture high-quality data to help you create accurate maps and verify construction progress with success. The drone has multiple autonomous flight modes for convenience, meaning you no longer need to put in the tedious hours of planning and editing missions manually. It even comes with an accompanying controller that allows you to take full control of your drone from takeoff to landing with ease. The Phantom 4 RTK is sure to take your surveying, mapping, and inspection tasks to the next level. Number 5. Autel Robotics Evo 2. A foldable drone with a 4K camera and long-range capabilities. Autel Robotics has just unveiled its newest and finest drone, the Evo 2. This innovative piece of technology is capable of folding up for easy portability and its 4K camera, along with its long-range capabilities. It will allow adventurers to capture stunning imagery from the skies in a way never seen before. Its intuitive control system helps operators stay on top of the flying experience, ensuring that shots come out beautifully, detailed, and precise. The possibilities seem limitless with this groundbreaking innovation in drone technology, which makes it an ideal choice for anyone looking to step up their photography skills with something truly advanced. Number 4. DJI Mavic Mini. A lightweight and portable drone with a 2.7K camera and up to 30 minutes of flight time. The DJI Mavic Mini is the ideal drone for both hobbyists and professionals alike. Weighing in at just 249 grams, it's lightweight and portable enough to take pretty much anywhere without the need for FAA registration, allowing you to start capturing stunning aerial footage in no time. You can also rest assured that you'll be able to record plenty of video with its impressive 2.7K camera, as well as enjoy an impressive 30 minutes flight time on a single charge. Whether you are shooting travel documentaries or wildlife photography, the Mavic Mini allows you to capture crystal clear aerial shots from whatever angle you desire. Number 3. DJI Inspire 2. A high-performance drone with a 4K camera and advanced features for professional filmmakers and photographers. The DJI Inspire 2 is the perfect tool for any professional filmmaker or photographer. It comes with a 4K camera that captures stunning visuals along with a host of advanced features that makes shooting an easier and smoother experience than ever before. It boasts a powerful propulsion system, improved infrared sensors for precise obstacle avoidance, and reliable flight control for enhanced stability and smooth footage. What's more, it also comes with high-end connectivity and transmission systems, so you can enjoy real-time monitoring on your device as you fly. Take your photography and filmmaking to the next level with the DJI Inspire 2 today. Number 2. DJI Mavic Pro. A compact and portable drone with a 4K camera and long-range capabilities. The DJI Mavic Pro is an innovation in small-scale drone technology and a revolution in photography. With its powerful 4K camera, superbly lightweight frame, and impressively long-reaching range, it gives photographers the gift of being able to capture stunning aerial views no matter where they are or how much space they have. It's capable of flying up to 8 miles away, powered by the folding 4-rotor dynamics that make it portable enough for virtually any photographer's needs. Whether you're looking for the perfect bird's eye shot of your family vacations or seeking out smooth tracking shots for movie production, the DJI Mavic Pro has you covered with its intuitive design and precise control system. Number 1. Parrot Anafi. A foldable drone with a 4K camera and long-range capabilities designed for aerial photography and videography. The Parrot Anafi is the perfect drone for capturing aerial footage and stunning photos from above. Its compact, foldable design makes it easy to take with you no matter where you go. Its long-range capabilities, up to 2.5 miles, ensure that you can capture footage of both near and faraway subjects with ease. Furthermore, its 4K camera provides incredible image quality so that every picture or video looks stunning and professional. Whether you are a serious photographer or videographer or just want to enjoy the convenience of capturing amazing aerial shots, the Parrot Anafi has something for everyone. If you are in the market for a drone, there are a lot of options to choose from. But if you want the best of the best, you can't go wrong with any of these models from DJI. Whether you're looking for a heavy-duty drone for professional photography and cinematography or a consumer-friendly drone with intelligent features, DJI has something that will fit your needs.
Now to the biggest reveal, the Dragonfish drone. Dragonfish drone is a unique drone with a special tilt rotor design that simplifies the drone's operation while maximizing its performance and efficiency. Its flight time is almost unbeatable. Some of the drone's distinctive features include its powerful AI tracking capabilities, a multitude of modular payload options, and its insane flight time of 120 minutes. Dragonfish is truly distinctive. Dragonfish offers a quality view through the lens of its 4K camera and a Super 20x optical zoom feature. Its maximum fly speed is 67 miles per hour, and its infrared detection is from 200 meters away. The drone's simplified moving parts. It is waterproof and smart. We hope you've enjoyed this journey through incredible drones that you can fly. It's time to get out there and experience these insanely cool technologies for yourself. It's going to be an unforgettable one. Thank you for sticking to the end. If you liked the video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Till next time, bye.